Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. It would be just like home screen, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and wow. So one last time, you just press volume down plus power key and screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the album called screenshots, and here they are. And from here you can share, delete, edit, favorite them, and all these other actions. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.